A warm bath coaxes out the fruit's deepest sugars. The softened apricots and syrup slide smoothly into the primary cooking line.
For hours, heat and motion work in unison.
Every batch is tested for sugar, acidity, and color. A spinning magnetic head grips each lid. It begins at dawn with a perfect, ripe apricot.
These high-pressure air nozzles blast away any remaining field dust, ensuring only the cleanest fruit moves down the line.
Only fruit of perfect character continues the journey. A warm bath coaxes out the fruit's deepest sugars. Every batch is tested for sugar, acidity, and color. The softened apricots and syrup slide smoothly into the primary cooking line, ready for the next stage of production.
For hours, heat and motion work in unison.
The finished jam is discharged from the kettle, flowing like a slow, gleaming river into the holding tank.
Here, the path diverges to create distinct characters.
The pressurized chamber utilizes rapid vacuum cooling. As the jam hits the chilled surface, the violent boiling
Precision leveling ensures every portion is identical.
Lasers define the final form with impossible accuracy.
The jam shapes enter a low-temperature drying tunnel. Gentle, dehumidified air flows over them, and the surface quickly
color is quantified. Every piece must match the master.
A final glaze seals in flavor and adds a jewel-like finish. Each jar receives its handcrafted signature. A spinning magnetic head grips each lid, securing the contents with precise, consistent torque. A final blast ensures perfect presentation. Cradled in velvet, each jar becomes an artifact. Grouped for the shelf, yet each box remains a singular treasure. Its journey from fruit to final destination nears completion.
With a seamless handoff, the automated storage system delivers the pallet. It now begins its journey.
Every pallet is known, tracked, and accounted for. Secured in its mobile vault, the journey to the world begins. From our gates to the arteries of global trade.
The robotic arms precisely delayer the six-pack sleeves, transferring them from the pallet to a high-speed conveyor destined for parcel sorting.
Its final layer of protection for the last mile.
From the moment of unboxing, the seamless integration into the modern living space is apparent. The design speaks for itself.
The moment of unveiling, a private luxury.
Presented in deep blue velvet, the handcrafted jar is lifted into the light, revealing the radiant glow of the finest apricot conserve.
The culmination of thousands of precise actions.
And with the dawn, the cycle prepares to repeat. From a single fruit to a moment of perfection.